Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. And welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we will discuss about how to initialize array elements using the method 2, which is direct compound initialization. This is tutorial number 2 of array tutorial. In tutorial 1, we have learned about how to declare array and initialize the array using the first method. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to initialize the array using the second method. Second method is direct compound initialization. During the direct compound initialization, you declare the array, you specify the size, and you put equal symbol at the moment, and inside the curly bracket you can specify which values you wanted to be added in the array. Okay, so if you write like this, what will happen? This 85 will go to the 0th position, 26 will go to the first position, and 45 will go to the second position of the array. Okay, so we can try printing it out to see whether it comes like as we expected or not. Like cout a of 0, then we will have a line break, then we will have a of 1, then again we will have a line break, and we will have a of 2 on screen now. Okay, let's try to compile and execute this program. There you go. So second method of accessing or inserting element to the array is little more easier than the first method. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.